Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your account with MyOnlineFashionStore. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your account with MyOnlineFashionStore, start by visiting their website. Once on the home page, scroll down to the bottom. Look for the Help or Support section. Click on that section to access customer support options. You may need to sign in to your account if you aren't already logged in. After signing in, locate the Account Settings option. Click on Account Settings to view your account details. Within the Account Settings, find the option labeled Manage Account or Account Information. Click on that link to proceed with the cancellation process. You should see an option that says Delete Account or Cancel Membership. Click on that option to start the cancellation steps. Follow any prompts that appear to confirm your decision. Read any important information regarding the cancellation policy. If there are any additional steps to confirm your cancellation, complete those. Once you've followed all the steps, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your email for a confirmation of the account cancellation. This email serves as proof that your account has been canceled. If you do not receive a confirmation email, it may be necessary to contact customer support. Ensure that you have successfully accessed your account before trying the cancellation again. Always make sure to review the terms and conditions regarding account cancellations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.